Let's go right to the point on how to install Gemma 3. First, we are going to install Ollama. Then we are going to install Gemma 3 on Ollama. Open your web browser and go to the official Ollama website. Click Download and select your operating system. For me, it's Windows. Wait for the download to finish, then double-click the installer file. Open Command Prompt /PowerShell to verify the installation. Type Ollama. Now go back to the Ollama website and click on Models, Gemma 3. Follow my steps and type in your command prompt Ollama run, Gemma 3. Wait for the download to finish. Done. You can now chat with Gemma 3. Like and subscribe for more guides.